Hey guys, OCD Hi-Fi guy here, and another installment of how to tell the cheap stuff from the real stuff. You know how to tell the imposter hi-fi from the real hi-fi. So I'm just kind of joking when I say that. You know, some things are made to look expensive, and they're really not so much. So here's an example. Okay, so we've got this beautiful single-ended triode, Class A, 50 watts. Two 845s, a 300B, and a 6SN7 driving them. So that's a great circuit, and it's like, the things sound good, actually. They do really sound good. But, okay, so you look at the top, right? And there's stainless steel, and if you come a little closer, you know, you can see, like, look right on that corner. Let's see if I can focus this. See that corner? See how there's that little hole right here? Okay, so that tells you this is sheet metal that's just been stamped and pressed in a press brake. It's just like, you know, a machine forms these things really fast, so they're no big deal. But they've got sides, so see, it's kind of like they put the fat sides on them, but you can tell it's sheet metal in the middle, so that's kind of like and then second of all, if you were to come up and go, man, come on, who's going to make a damn tube amp? Okay, so tubes, super sensitive to vibration. You're going to go up and have that on there, that thing's ring, and you go bang, and you touch the top of the tube when it's off, you can feel that vibration in the tube. It's jacked up. Okay, so now the real test is we go around to the unit like this and see stamped sheet metal. Okay, this thing is just punched out. So the bottom, it's in black, so it's not very visible, but it's just a chintzy little thing. I mean, this is you'd see it on any Chinese amp. There's a chassis like this. You know, whoa, my bad. I fell off my little thing. Anyways, these are the Western Electric replica 845s. And I'm coming to the conclusion that the Chinese tubes are just kind of not very robust. Okay, so first of all, killer simple circuit. Like, this is beautiful. This is on the nicer end of Chinese stuff. How this is all routed, and it's very elegant and simple. It isn't a cheap chassis. These are junky little things.
Loose connector.
You'd be surprised.
This is just hot glued in the corner.
Okay. I see him. You'd be surprised at how expensive some gear is that uses these chintzy ass things, man, with the plastic on them. They're just junky, and you'll find them on some of the really.
Look, that's broken.
What is
The that's
the input wire?
Yep.
So see, we were getting a hum. I said, let's check out the input, and we've got. Look at that. No wonder it's humming. Yeah. So we going to fix that. Okay. So anyways. So what we've got here is a nice piece of aluminum slat. This whole slab, it's like it's not even ½ inch. It's 3/8, and that's a nice piece. You know, I have no idea what the transformers are like. Okay, in tube amps, transformers mean everything. It's pretty much will tell you how good the amp is how good the transformer is. This thing sounds good. It's got potential to sound really good. We'll fix up the inputs. I'll probably change these to some nice WBTs. This one's okay, but we might want to put WBT silver. And then everything else is all right. I don't know what those filament foils are. They're probably decent. Yep. But then there's another one right there. So we could feasibly put, a highfalutin cap right there. And then these electrolytics. We'll see what those are. And that's about all I'd monkey with. I mean, just the way this is put together, you can tell it's done right. You know, I mean, there's not much that's jumping out at me. This is, it was done with care. So anyway, so that's another thing you can tell. Again, see, this is the dead giveaway of a stamped metal piece. And you can just tell after a while, you can just tell looking at it from a ways away. You don't even have to come up and inspect it. But so that's another. So anyways, so if we were looking at this amp, we would have come up, we would have seen this, we would have been all impressed and said, wow, that's gorgeous. We would have looked a little closer, we would have seen stamped metal on the top with the transformer covers, and then we would have looked underneath probably then and seen the cheap metal frame, which is like, you know, this chassis that's stamped steel, and we could have deducted that, you know, kind of what they're worth. These are marked at $7,000, you know, per pair. I think 7 or 8 grand is the price from China. That's pretty decent. So it's like 4 grand a chassis, and that's pretty decent for an amp of this type. That is, you know, I don't know. Maybe it is a proper price, you know. But anyways, that's the MSRP. So, you know, I got these for 4 for the pair. So not bad. Anyways, we'll see. I might keep them. I might not. I don't know. So anyways, that was just a little tutorial on how to tell the difference, again, between something like Jeff, his stuff, which is top level machining, and something like this, which is, you know, they're just giving it a good shot, but it's not the same level. Anyway, so that's that. I'll see you guys later. Bye.